Here is a Facebook-alike web application, Facebook-alike content management system, Facebook-alike CMS. This is not formatting, it waiting for me. Author, title, author, content. It is like Facebook, yeah. Save post, and we look at that here. Here is all post below of messages of title, author, and content. But every content management system, there is an administration, admin side, and here it is admin side. Admin post, admin comments, admin replies, admin replies one, admin users. Admin post. You can see that all admin side is in table format, HTML table format. It is absolutely the best format structure, HTML structure, we speak about that, for data. Data, and now it is very interesting thing that I like database relation. I wrote a book, Access Microsoft Database Relation, but it is in Croatian, and very, very popular book. And I know, excellent know, database relation, database relational database. And now I start to learn and work in a React library, JavaScript library for front end, and I work, as you can see in that playlist, for total beginners, React for total beginners. As you can see, I learn, component, I build component, router 6, Redux, and now I coming to content management system. It is, when we know all, it is a topic of knowledge, but I must in my video say a lot about content management system. Not a lot about something new, but a lot about for practice, for experience, your experience, repeating. And here it is table. When I start create admin, I have a post, I have comment, a reply to comment, and reply to reply. But also we have users. And what we have a separate table of post, all post is here. Comments, all comments is here. Admin replies is here. Admin replies one is also here. Admin users is here. Admin post. At first, title of this video is HTML table. HTML table is here. Admin post, admin add post, admin post list, admin post list. Admin post list, we have post list and admin post list. It is copy of post list, existing post list, copy and only change name of component, and all others is, here is the name of component, all others is the same like in post. Why I don't use post list, existing post list? Because post list I use here, home. This is post list. This is post list, but that same post list is here, here in admin post. It is the same post list, but look at now in a table. And because of that, cannot be same name because I use different design, different structure, HTML structure, different CSS design. And because of that, I must have same pages, but with with two different name. And when you named your component, take care about new names. Here it is only admin in front of that, admin, all of other, what I need, copy. This admin post, there is ID. ID of post, look at here is 10. I'm going to write one new post title, author, comment, Control A, Control C, Control V, save post. Here is only 100 character places, but admin post is all visible. Here it is. And ID is 101 for first two, for initial value, initial state. But after that, we have a string, a random string for ID. Look at the second, user ID. User ID, title, date, etc. But for a table, it is interesting ID, identification. ID here is unique identification. When we delete one of them, we delete all unique, and every new post there is a unique identification. And user ID here is in a relational database we call strange key. Unique identification is primary key of this table. It means it is unique identification of every post. But user ID here is a strange key. Strange key means that someday in other table, in some other table, user ID is principal, is primary key. But here it is strange key. How we know in table what is primary key, what is strange key? We know because primary key, there is every post, there is a unique value, primary key. But users, look at users table, admit users. ID here in table of users, ID is primary key. 01, 2, it is primary key, unrepeatedly. It is unrepeatedly, but that here primary key in post is strange key. Look at 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, it is repeating, user ID. It means that users 1 has two posts, has wrote two posts. And it means that strange key can repeat. Primary key, never. Here in this table, primary key of post never repeat, but primary key of user ID here in this table never repeat. But if primary key is strange key in some tables, can repeat. Admin post. How you know that may be to you confused information of me. Simple. You have data, and here we have data post, for example, data posts. Every row in a table is new data in table, and we ask yourself one post, how many users can have? Again, one post, how many users can have? Only one. One post, only one users, because one author is. It is possible here that only one author, only one users wrote one post. Other post can write same author, but post can have only one users, only one author. And now you ask yourself here in table users, and look at in one row, one author, one user. How many posts can have? One author, how many posts can have? Many. One user can write many posts. You, in your profile of Facebook, you can write messages as you want. And it is relation one to many. One users can have many posts, and one post can have only one users. And because of that, here is user ID here in post. Here in a post table, one user can have many posts, and user ID here is a strange key because it can be repeated. We have a user 1, there is two posts, but post 1, there is only one user, user 2. This post, there is only one user, user 1. And here in this table, ID is unique identification for post, primary key, we call in a relational database. And user ID here is strange, can be repeated. Many users, one user can have many posts, and because of that, number 1 is here, and in the future, a lot of times repeated in this column user ID, repeated number 1. Comments. A comment ID is every comment there is a primary key, comment ID, and must have every table and every row in table must have a unique identification. But here, post ID, comment ID, post ID can be repeated. Post ID is a strange key. I position for strange is here, behind of primary key. It is only for understandable and for visibility of that structure of table. Comment ID is primary key. Post ID is strange key. Why? Because one post can have one post can have many comments. One comment is attached, is applied to only one post. Will be continued. Thank you for watching.